Good morning! I am ready for the day.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Eat. Eat breakfast before school.
The bus is coming!
I want to buy some apples.
Let's start our work. Let's start our work.
I like walking in the park. I like walking in the park.
Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Give it to me right now!
I enjoy reading books.
Good night. See you tomorrow.